Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add Paramount Plus to your Google TV. Follow these instructions and you'll be streaming your favorite shows and movies in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV. Power on your Google TV device and make sure it is connected to a stable internet connection. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 2. Go to the Apps section. On the Google TV home screen, scroll to the Apps tab. This is where you can browse and install new applications. Step 3. Search for Paramount Plus. Select the Search for Apps option and use the on-screen keyboard to type Paramount Plus. When the app appears in the results, select it. Step 4. Install the app. Click on Install to download Paramount Plus to your Google TV. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. Step 5. Open Paramount Plus. Once installed, open the app from the Apps section or directly from your home screen. You'll see the Paramount Plus welcome screen. Step 6. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Paramount Plus account, select Sign In and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, visit ParamountPlus.com on your phone or computer to sign up, then return to the Google TV app to log in. Step 7. Start watching. After signing in, you'll have full access to the Paramount Plus library. Browse categories, select your favorite shows or movies, and start streaming immediately. That's it. You've successfully added and set up Paramount Plus on your Google TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful streaming tutorials and tech guides.